Hey, imagine leaving your well-paying corporate job. This is a good job to sell candles inside people's homes. Well, a New Jersey woman did it, and it paid off big time.
Her name is Lynn Bardowski, and she's the $1 Million Party Girl. Look at this book. Lynn is sharing her story and tips for women entrepreneurs in this book. It's called Success Secrets of the $1 Million Party Girl. Sounds good, right? And for the first time, she's holding a boot camp. It'll be in Cherry Hill. She's here to tell you all about this boot camp. Good morning to you, Lynn.
Hi, Lynn.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good morning, Chanel and Mike.
Gotta tell you, when you look at the cover, you go, whoa, what kind of parties
Party
are we
girl.
throwing here? Woo, your legs are all
Hey
out.
now.
Yeah.
Yes, it's fun. It's fun. It's just fun to say, but
Okay.
Mike, it's not that kind of party girl.
Okay.
So,
Darn it.
Did you really do this because you're a success? I mean, I was reading some of the
Thank you.
things. Enterprising Women's Magazine recognized her as one of the top female entrepreneurs. Beyond the category of $2 to $5 million in annual revenues
Yes.
from candles.
Who knew? Who knew?
Seriously?
Seriously, yes.
Is this like a
Seriously.
Tupperware party?
That's exactly it. Yes, that's exactly.
But you're selling candles.
That's the party in $1 Million Party Girl. Yes.
So now, this boot camp, if women go on Friday, you're not telling people to sell candles, obviously, are you?
No. Basically, I've learned a lot of success secrets as a 24-year entrepreneur. Connected with a lot of women through my book, which became a bestseller on Amazon, and so many women have reached out to me for business advice.
So you're giving them tips, advice on
I'm
how to
giving
be an
them-
entrepreneur.
Yes, exactly. How they can, take what I've learned to help them basically make more income and
Yeah.
build a bigger business.
Okay, so let's say we don't want to do candles. You got to pick something. You got to define your vision.
You got it. That's exactly it, Mike.
What do you mean by that?
Well, it's interesting. When I was researching my book, I found a Harvard Business Review study called Women in the Vision Thing. And they actually have proven that women lack the skill of envisioning. So my big message, and I actually define the term visionista, you can be a visionista,
A
Mike.
visionista.
Thank you.
I like that. The next one, you say stop selling, start serving. People are worried about, I know if I was to sell something, I hate being pushy, I hate asking for things.
Yes.
So I guess is it just all in how you think about what you're doing?
Yeah,
You're providing.
Well, that's it, and I find that so true for women. So I'm glad you said that. You ladies know what we're talking about, right? That pushy thing. So I really encourage women to take that selling mindset out of their head because it makes them uncomfortable, and instead start to serve. Figure out how your product helps people.
What's weird
Women
is
are great
though,
at that.
I was reading in the book,
Yeah.
you say don't network.
Yes.
When everybody, oh, you need to network
Yes.
if you're going to do this. Don't?
Don't network, and I'm a big networker, but really we need to connect. So it's not about handing out a bunch of business cards.
But connect with people.
Connect with people, absolutely network, but do it with an intention of connecting. And I really encourage people to stop asking that boring question of what do you do?
You know what? Also in the book, I was reading an article about one of your success stories. A woman who started like a bridal magazine or something like that. You just got to figure out what you're into and then rock it.
And then rocket, yeah. The lack of vision actually is the one thing that keeps women entrepreneurs on that gerbil wheel, going around and around, so they're not moving their business forward.
And finally, you say tell your story. What do you mean by that?
Well, storytelling is really the new marketing campaign. People really connect with you on a deeper level. So I told my story, obviously, in a much big way by writing a book, but we need to get our story out there, and I feel the more that women do that, the more we'll inspire other women to overcome fear.
There are so many people that still can't find a job. And so
That's true.
we give them
That's
advice.
true.
Well, start your own small business.
Yes.
Read the book and get some tips.
So your boot camp is this Friday, 8:30 to noon, Cherry Hill Mall. Where do we go?
Well, you can go to milliondollarpartygirl.com, go to my website, click on events. It's going to be in the Farmers Insurance building right behind Nordstrom Rack.
Oh.
Cherry Hill.
Which is a great bonus. We get to go shopping at Nordstrom Rack afterwards.
There you go. Well, we linked it, by the way, to myfoxphilly.com.
Oh, thank you.
Congratulations.
Chanel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you bring any candles?
Here's some reading for Chanel.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Congratulations
Now
on your
that she's out
tomorrow's
of
your
work.
last day.
Thank you.
Maybe we'll inspire you too.
Maybe I'll start selling hamster or gerbil
I like the
wheels.
linen scent. The linen
Oh, yeah.
candles.
The fresh
too.
clean. Fresh
Yeah.
clean.
The fresh clean.
Yes.
Tangerine.
No, no, I
rain.
didn't say fruit.
Oh.
All right. Well,
I like
I'll hook
citrus.
you both up,
All right,
okay?
thanks.
Like citrus stuff?
I like
Makes me
citrus.
hungry.
We'll take care of both of you.
Thank you, Lynn.
All right.